Here's a 1946 Lincoln Continental Mark I. Absolutely beautiful two-door cars. The Mark I, obviously, this would have been the first year post-World War II that the Lincoln Continental would have came into production. And a rare car. Only 265 of these were produced in 46. This particular one, according to the previous owner, had paint work done, restoration work, interior in 2013. So it's in pretty darn nice shape. I'd call it a nice driver quality. The engine work was done to the car, rebuilt, gas tank was replaced, brakes, coils, generator. That was done in 2017. When we go to fire up this car, you'll see how nice and smooth it runs. The paint, I wouldn't call it perfect. I'd call it a nice driver quality. There's some nicks or blemishes here and there. But overall, very nice shape, and it looks great in this burgundy color. Interior also was redone, cloth interior. If you take a look at the pictures, it was tough to get the correct true color to show up in the pictures. Came across a little more kind of plum or bright than it is. It's a burgundy cloth, matches the exterior. I get around to the other side, I'll get a good shot of it so you can see kind of the true color of the interior. If you'd like to check out those underside pics, interior pics, any of the still pictures of the car, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at the back end of these and the trunk, just beautiful cars. The bright work is pretty much all original. When the owner had it repainted last, kept as much of the bright work and the original chrome and everything as he could on the car. So all that's pretty much original yet. It is powered by a V12. Like I said, that V12 underneath the hood was gone through 2017. So the engine was rebuilt within the last year or so. And you can, like I said, you can see the still pictures. You'll see how fresh that engine looks underneath there. And we're going to go ahead and fire this up too so you can hear how it runs and how smooth it is. Just want to walk around, finish all the way around the car here for you. So they're such nice looking classy cars. Next to the push button for the door. Let's go ahead and pop that. See the original steering wheel there. When I come around here, there's pretty much the true color of the interior. It's a little darker in person than it is in the video there. And like I said, it gets a little kind of plum or purple looking in some of the still pictures, but give you an idea what the true color of the interior is. Door cards. Original, the dash still is. Speedometer. Check this out. We're in neutral. So get the key here. We're going to pull, actually turn the key so we can pull the ignition out. Push start. Button is over here. And that's without any foot on the gas, without any choke, anything. You just push it, it starts that easily. And does it run smooth? Hear that V12. Nicely the door fits and closes. Come around to the back. Hear that engine purr. Not blowing any smoke or oil or anything like that out the tailpipe there. If you'd like to know more about this car, please feel free to give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. 1946 Lincoln Continental, beautiful two-door, Mark I, pretty rare car, and a nice driver besides. Runs and drives, give us a call.